Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to today's problem-solving activity. Today, we will be working on word problem number 1 together, using traditional approaches to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in equations, as well as practicing the plan, solve, check strategy. Using traditional approaches to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers will help us discover the weight of each of the students in the word problem. The use of the plan, solve, check strategy will also help us conquer the word problem. The plan, solve, check strategy is a great way to organize yourself when completing a word problem. Initially, you want to read and visualize the word problem itself, then show your thinking and strategies through solving, and then check your answers to make sure you're correct. The New York State Next Generation Standard that we will be using is a 6th grade standard. It falls into the domain of expressions, equations, and inequalities. The standard itself reads, students use variables to represent numbers and write expressions when solving a real-world or mathematical problem with a specific number or unknown number. Are you ready to solve this problem together? Let's try. First, let's read the question together. 4 students in the class weighed themselves. Carter was 15 kilograms lighter than Adrian. Gary was twice as heavy as Carter, and Jeremy was 7 kilograms heavier than Gary. If Jeremy weighed 71 kilograms, what was Adrian's weight? Following our model, we know we want to find the key details in our word problem. We know that we have 4 students who I have color-coded and abbreviated to make easier. We know Carter is 15 kilograms lighter than Adrian. We know Gary is twice as heavy as Carter. And we know that Jeremy is about 7 kilograms heavier than Gary. Knowing that Jeremy is 71 kilograms helps us to solve for the weight of Gary. The equation would be set up as 71, which is the weight of Jeremy, equals g plus 7. We would subtract the 7 from either side and find that Gary is 64 kilograms. Is this how you would have set up your equation? Now we know the weight of Gary, which is 64 kilograms, we can solve for the weight of Carter. This equation would be 64 equals 2c. Using division, we would divide either side by 2 and find that Carter is 32 kilograms. Since Carter is 32 kilograms, we can find the weight of Adrian. This equation would be set up as 32 equals a minus 15. We would add 15 to either side and find that Adrian is 47. So how can we check to see that we're correct? To find that we are correct and check our answers, we can plug our weights of our students back into the equations that we used before. 47 minus 15 does equal 32. 64 divided by 2 does equal 32. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.